Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa blender, easy method. Start by prepping all ingredients and cutting tomatoes into quarters so they blend evenly. Use a few pulses first to check texture, then blend briefly until you reach your desired consistency. Taste and adjust salt, lime, or heat, and chill for 30 minutes to let flavors meld before serving with chips. Gather fresh tomatoes, onion, cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, and salt for a simple blender salsa. Trim cores and quarter tomatoes so your blender handles them without clogging. Start with half the jalapeno and add more if you want heat, and squeeze fresh lime to brighten the mix. Pulse and taste, then chill briefly so flavors settle before serving with tacos, grilled meats, or tortilla chips. Place tomatoes, onion, cilantro, jalapeno, lime juice, and salt into the blender jar, working in small batches if needed. Pulse in 2-second bursts while checking texture after every few pulses, and scrape down the sides with a spatula to mix evenly. If you prefer smoother salsa, blend slightly longer but watch for thinning. Thicker salsas hold up better on chips. Adjust seasoning last and refrigerate for best flavor.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.